Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge. Copper Creek is the DVC part. Wilderness Lodge, we have a 2-bedroom villa today. We're gonna show you around. When you come in the door, you've got La Kitchen, plenty of storage, toaster, like you could live here for a month. All the drawers, all your utensils and everything else. So if you come this way in ours, there's a big closet, extra pillows and blankets, safe, laundry basket, and then you have a full-size washer dryer here. Like this. You can close this off if you don't want to look at your washer dryer anymore. Don't want to look at the laundry. This way we have the first bathroom. So we've got sink in the toilet, walk-in shower, here, nice big shower. It's huge actually. It's huge. And then this door closes also. Got another sink and the gigantic tub. Then back through here is the bedroom with king size bed. And tables on both sides, which is a bonus for me. Plugs and USB ports on both sides. We've got lights above the bed that you can dim like that. Plenty of drawer space. There's a little desk here with a seat where you can do your makeup or work. Why would you want to work on vacation? But some people do. And then a big like wardrobe thing here. Lots of storage space. And then this one, since it's a dedicated 2-bedroom, it's got a big balcony that goes through the whole thing. So ours is on the quiet pool side. Our room comes with an Emma and a John. Yours probably won't. So that's the quiet pool over there. So this room will sleep 2, 4, 6, I believe, right?
I believe 8.
8?
Because it has 2 beds in the other room.
Oh, that's 2, 4, 6.
And a sleeper sofa.
Oh, it's got a sleeper sofa?
Yes, ma'am.
So it sleeps 8. This room sleeps 8. Full-size fridge, freezer. You know, it's got all of the everything that you need. Plates, cups, silverware, oven if you want to bake a cake. You know, while you're on vacation. Dishwasher. So you've got a nice, like banquette kind of seat here. More storage. That's a big giant drawer right there. So this couch does pull out, I believe. Yep. Sleeper sofa, extra chair. This is the same balcony. And then in this room, there are 2 queens. Looks like tables on each side. Dresser, nice little table, and then this. Oh, this is nice. Sink on both sides. And a giant closet. Look how big that closet is. It's huge. You could stick a crib or something in there if you needed to. Cool. Awesome. This is the 2-bedroom villa at Copper Creek.